In this lecture, we will cover two important CSS properties, margin and padding. CSS margin property is used to define the space around the element. Usually we use margin for add or subtract the distance between two elements. The white color representing the space, it is not a border. Gray color is the background color. If I remove the white color, margin is invisible. We have to define margin. So let's implement it. Create a new file, margin and padding.html, and link it with style.css. So margin from top is 10 pixel. If I increase with 100 pixel, what happened? So look at here, distance from top is 100 pixel. Decrease it. Distance from right, margin right, is 10 pixel, and distance from left is bottom is 100 pixel. If I decrease, what happened? And distance from left is 10 pixel. We can apply margin by using this shortened way. Shortened property way contains 1, 2, 3 and 4 values, and they have different meanings. If the margin property has only one value, then it will be applying on all the sides. If the margin property has two values, value 1 is for top and bottom, and value 2 is for left and right. If the margin property has three values, these are for top, right and bottom respectively. If the margin property has four values, one for each side, and top, right, bottom, left, clockwise. Okay, so let's implement it. And margin top 10 pixel, margin right also 10 pixel, margin bottom 20 pixel, margin left 40 pixel. Okay. Second one is padding. CSS padding property is used to define the space around the content of the element inside the border of the element. Padding does not make space around the element, defines the space around the content which is a part of element. If you don't know what is the content, element or tag, watch my lectures on HTML. The only difference between margin and padding is padding creates space around the content and margin creates space around the element. Look at the box 1 and box 2. Padding applying on box 1 and box 2 is default. Same rules for padding. Let's implement it. Padding top 10 pixel. If I change with 50, what happened? Look at here. 10 pixel. Padding left 50 pixel, and what happened? And so change padding 50 pixel padding bottom, and if I change with right 50 pixel. Okay, same as margin property, it is also written in shortened form. Padding, first of all, make it comment, control plus question mark, and padding top 10 pixel, and padding left also 10 pixel, sorry, right, and padding bottom 10 pixel, padding left 10 pixel. If I change with 100, so look at the box model. We have content area in the center of the box. It could be a div tag. It has width and length. White color shows padding. Black color shows the border of the element. Green color shows margin. Thank you for watching this lecture. Please subscribe our channel. Have a nice day.